Are you a woman that's married to a guy that lies, gaslights, accuses you of being the problem? But something inside knows, I don't think I'm the problem. I'm trying hard to be a good wife, but he is making it so difficult. Well, you've probably heard, maybe friends, maybe family, maybe you've read some books, listened to some podcasts that say you need to get out because narcissists can't change, narcissists don't change. Well, I got to tell you that the clinical research says otherwise. I'm Dr. Don, and I'm an expert in interpersonal neurobiology, and I'm using that stuff to help women just like you that are staying in the marriage. They want to stay in the marriage maybe because of faith convictions, which I totally honor and respect, maybe because of financial issues, maybe because of the kids, women that want to find a way, if possible, to stay in the marriage, but are finding it extremely difficult. We help women like that, and we help them transform themselves, get their feet on solid ground, get themselves out of Egypt and into the promised land, and find a way to actually transform the relationship because they're transforming themselves. That's not because, let me be super clear, not because it's their fault. I want to be clear. This is a problem where the woman is married to a guy that gaslights, that cheats, that lies, that does all of the crazy stuff, making her feel like she's crazy, but it's not her fault. If that's you, check the link below, click the link below, find out more, reach out. We can help, and we want to help. We want to serve you. We want to get you back onto solid ground and get you the life that you deserve, because you're better than the results that you're getting.